bed, bed. Time to sleep on the bed. Pillow, pillow. This pillow is soft. Blanket, blanket. I love my cozy blanket. Wardrobe, wardrobe. My clothes are in the wardrobe. Lamp, lamp. Turn on the lamp, please. Nightstand, nightstand. My book is on the nightstand. Dresser, dresser. I keep my socks in the dresser. Mirror, mirror. I check the mirror every morning. Curtains, curtains. The curtains block the sunlight. Rug, rug. The rug feels soft under my feet. Closet, closet. My shoes are in the closet. Hanger, hanger. Hang your shirt on the hanger. Mattress, mattress. This mattress is so comfy. Sheets, sheets. I changed the sheets today. Quilt, quilt. The quilt keeps me warm. Alarm clock, alarm clock. The alarm clock wakes me up. Headboard, headboard. The headboard is wooden. Footboard, footboard. The footboard matches the headboard. Fan, fan. I turn on the fan at night. Chair, chair. I sit on the chair by the window. Shelf, shelf. The shelf holds my books. Picture frame. Picture frame. This picture frame holds a family photo. Laundry basket. Laundry basket. My dirty clothes are in the laundry basket. Desk. Desk. I study at my desk. Tissue box. Tissue box. The tissue box is on the dresser. Slippers. Slippers. I wear my slippers in the bedroom. Painting. Painting. The painting on the wall is beautiful. Clock. Clock. The clock shows it's time for bed. Jewelry box. Jewelry box. My jewelry is in the jewelry box. Air conditioner. Air conditioner. The air conditioner cools the room. Thank you for watching this video. Support us with a like, subscribe, and comment. Until next time, take care.